Here's our kitchen area, fireplace, washing area, a cute little jug of water over there. Here's the back porch.
Where's the Beach Boy tape?
Here's house number 1, little dome house number 2, cute little front porch.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to welcome you today to the
original
Karla and Jay Cooking
Show.
Here we go, in 5, 4.
Welcome to our show. For today's lesson, we're going learning cooking outdoors. We've chosen a specific camp spot in a certain area of the woods. We've selected our stove, and what we're going to be doing is barbecuing hot dogs. Now I've placed here tinfoil over some hot coals. You'll find that usually when placing the tinfoil on the grill, you will want to use hot pads because you'll find very quickly that the stove is very hot. So, once you've placed your tinfoil, cut various slits in between the grate holes. This will allow the smoke to rise up through and giving your meat a nice tender smoked flavor. Now, onto the meat. In 5, 4.
Hi! Now, for my proportion of the hamburger outdoors cooked meal, I have had the assignment of the other accessories. First of all, you go to a local grocery store such as Reed's. You look for the cheapest bag of potato chips, buy them, bring them up into the
Come back. Now, as you see, we have just about finished cooking our hamburgers. You're supposed to get them. Get a picture of them.
Oh.
Yummy!
They look almost done. Now we're about
including
to put
the
the cheese on.
rock right there.
The rock is there only for taste. It adds a little, flavor, a little bit of that country hometown flavor. But as you can see, we're about done, so we're about ready to move over to the condiment table, where we'll make our buns with our condiments, the ketchup, We got the pork and beans, the tomatoes.
I cut the tomatoes and the avocados.
Lettuce.
Oh, yeah.
So, as you can see, there isn't that much to it. Just some good home camping cooking.